Mr. Stan, what's good? What's good? So we had a TikToker ask us, what are some efficient ways, or tips and tricks to run a more efficient shop?
Mike, so we have is the mic? We have I put it here. We have a. So if you have an automotive shop, collision shop, we have a collision shop. Let me just show you. Come on. Cool. So we're always working on our process. So right here, this is called a step process. So we're starting to break down. What we do is we review our steps for each process, and then we improve on those steps. Always. We're doing it on this side too, so we're always improving. A couple of things that I recommend. Check this out. So when we check this out, so this is a little hack we have. So turn this down. So in the morning, we create this Spotify, right? So we have a certified morning playlist. So every morning we play this playlist. And so what this does, so when I play this playlist, it gets everybody in the mood. It's a good energy playlist, so we start off the morning good, right? But now we go here to this is a dashboard. This shows all the tech assignments. It shows what everybody's doing. So not only do we have good music going on, but we also have a list of things that need to get done for the week. And we also have, it says it's out this week. It's in the green. So what that does, it keeps our technicians focused on what needs to go out for the week. And so we're not all over the place and they get lost or they're not sure of direction. They just refer back to this and they get back on track, right? Another thing good about the music is like, so this is our morning playlist, right? But then we'll go into like 80s mix and we'll do it to Red Hot Chili Peppers. We'll go to daily mix, right? And then we come back, we let that play. And so the benefit of that is like, if a customer comes in and they want to come to see their car, or they need to get something from their car, you're not gonna have to worry about like some ratchet ass music being played, or you're already gonna know what to expect, so you're gonna feel comfortable bringing them out to the shop, right? So those are a couple of things you can do to improve your shop. It improves the energy, and also whenever you want to go into the shop to show your client something, you're not embarrassed. You're not gonna be dealt with something unexpectedly, right? Also, too, give your clients a tour. Like that makes them feel way better, dude. Like just imagine if you went to a restaurant, right, and the chef came out and says, "Hey, we want to give you a tour of the kitchen." How would that make you feel? It makes you feel special, right? So like, just do those little things, and it's gonna make your shop stand out from everybody else.